5 tips to improve your conversation skills in 2024. Number 1. Learn few conversation starters. Hey, how it's going? What have you been up to recently? Number 2. Use some phrases. Show interest like, wow, really? Sadness, oh no, I'm sorry. Number 3. Ask follow-up questions to show that you are listening and to keep the conversation going on. What happened next? What did you do after that? Number 3. Use discourse markers. The words or phrases that help you to change the conversation. For example, by the way, I have to work on Saturday now. Number 5. Learn some polite ways to end the conversation. Say something positive. Discuss ways to arrange the meeting soon. Mention future plans. For example, anyways, it was nice meeting you. I hope we had a great venture. Follow for more such tips.